we got that off. We tapped this loose. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna take out the 2 bolts for the strut so this can come forward. Alright, we got them loose. Now we're gonna tap them out. Now that's out. Just pull it forward. That comes out. Now you can get to the back bolts. Alright guys, so we got the bolts out. I stuck a bolt in here because we're going to use a hammer to beat this off. Alright, so after a few smacks of the sledgehammer, the hub is out. Now we're going to clean all this up. Okay. Got a new one. That's all cleaned up. Now we're going to take a little bit of anti-seize. All our bolts are started.
Then the installation
balance. Tight.
With pricing starting at just 49 cents per square foot, your new carpet is installed by local, licensed, and insured professionals, so you can feel confident every step of the way.
TV axles in, metal on. That's in. That's in. Tighten that one.